Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about the smoothie diet. Now, I know many of you are on a quest to lose weight and you're trying different diets and workout routines, but have you tried the smoothie diet? Today, we're going to dive deep into this program and I'm going to share with you the truth about it. So, buckle up and get ready because I have some valuable insights to share with you. First things first, where can you get the smoothie diet? Well, my friends, let me tell you that the official website is the only place you should be purchasing this program. Don't fall for any other offers on the internet because they might not be the real deal. I'll make it easy for you. The link to the official website is right below in the description area. Now, let's talk about what the smoothie diet actually is. It's a 21-day program that focuses on healthy weight loss. The program is broken down into different steps, and it all starts with a calorie defect calculation. You can't expect to lose weight if you don't have a proper understanding of the calories you need to consume versus the calories you need to burn. The smoothie diet provides a formula that takes into account your current weight, age, height, and other factors to determine the calorie deficit you need to achieve. Moving on to the next step, weekly preparation. This program involves a lot of smoothie making, and to make it easy for you, the creator of the program has provided a shopping list that includes all the healthy ingredients you need. Following the shopping list ensures that you have everything you need to succeed with this program, which will make your life a whole lot easier. The third step is the daily meal replacement. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not suggesting you replace all your meals with smoothies, that's not healthy. But replacing a few meals a day with a smoothie recipe of your choice is a great way to get all the nutrients you need while cutting down on calories. Just remember, don't replace more than 2 meals a day, and make sure to choose the meals you want to replace carefully. The smoothie diet has been tried and tested by many people, and the results speak for themselves. By sticking to this program for 21 days, you can expect to see some great results. But remember, you have to be strict and stick to the program. The official website has many success stories from people who have tried and loved the program, so be sure to check them out. And finally, if for some reason the program doesn't work for you, no worries. The smoothie diet offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can get your money back if you're not happy with the results. So, there you have it, the smoothie diet in a nutshell. It's a great program for healthy weight loss that has helped many people achieve their goals. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.